Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. A very happy 2021. May this year brings joy, peace and happiness to all my subscribers, their family and friends. So today we are going to do different craft work and it is all about an explosion box made up of chocolates. Yes. So with this new year, I'm also gonna teach you something new on my channel. So just be ready and learn all the things. And this is the box which I have made already. I'm just gonna tell you how to place the chocolates here. And if you want to learn how to make this square box and its cutting and the measurement, all you can see in the description box below. I have given the link over there so you can go through it. That is the full video tutorial and that will help you how to make this explosion box, square explosion box with 3 layers. So let's learn how to place the chocolates in a different way. Let's get started. So this is how I'm gonna do. I'm gonna place 2 chocolates in each block, and what you have to do to paste it, just place the sellotape behind the chocolate and then paste it on the sheet. That way you can paste all the chocolates and make them ready. For the other sets of chocolates, I'm gonna wrap them in navy blue color, the sheet which I have used as the base. So to give this a nice effect, and I'm gonna place some heart cutouts over it. Here you can see that the layer 1 is ready. Now do the same for the layer 2 and the layer 3, and then place each layer one by one as shown in the video. So this is it guys, the explosion box is ready to close. I have made it on the occasion of New Year. You can make this kind of box with chocolates and the messages and the personal messages you can say for any occasion, like it can be birthday or it can be anniversary or anything you want to. I hope that this video is helpful for you all, and please do try to make it, and if you recreate this then do tag me. Either you can do it on Instagram or email me, or you can do the comment. And yes, one important thing to do, if you like the video then do subscribe the channel, press the like button, press the bell icon to never miss the updates of my latest videos, so that you can keep creating such wonderful crafts. And you can check me out on Facebook and Instagram for my page. Thank you so much guys.